Hey everyone, Danny here, Red Sand Adventures. Stayed on a little hike in the woods today on a new trail. We're in Orwell Cove, Prince Edward Island. I believe the trail is called MacPhail. MacPhail Woods Forestry Project. Pretty wicked spot. There's all kinds of trails here, so just did one little section today, but thought we'd show you around a bit. Pretty friggin' wicked spot. There's a whole bunch of little bridges that cross over this stream too. It's kind of cool. They made like steps going up here with the logs in the dirt. Getting high up from the stream now. One of them bridges coming up here, we'll show you in a second. See the bridge coming up. So this is where we're pretty much coming to the exit on this trail. The big logs. Pretty cool. Anyway, just thought we'd show you this little trail. Check it out. It's in Orwell Cove, Prince Edward Island. Like and subscribe. See you in the next one.